Welcome back to this video. If you use Chrome browser to browse internet on your phone, consider to watch this video from beginning to the end and see how to enable zoom in and zoom out grid features on your Chrome browser. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you need to do is to head over to your Chrome browser. I'm going to click on my Chrome right here. Then having opened up your Chrome, so let's say for instance you want to zoom out or zoom in this particular page on your Chrome browser right here. By the time you come to the top right here, you click on these three dots right here, and you find out that there is no zoom button right here. So how you can simply enable it and use it to zoom in and zoom out on your Chrome browser. So first thing first, go back to these three dots right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply go to settings. The next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down all the way down and make sure you go to accessibility. The next thing you need to do is to simply turn on this button right here. Then you can go back to the web page, go back. Now the next thing you want to do now is to go back to these three dots. Now you have your zoom button right here. Next thing you need to do is to click on zoom. Then from the bottom right here, you have it right here. So it has been 100%. You can decide to click on this plus sign to zoom out. The more you click, the more the page is going to zoom out. Then use this minus sign to zoom in. It's that simple. You can control it as many as possible, zoom in or zoom out. It's that simple as that. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.